everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cassandra. Thanks for checking in. I know that something has changed with this video compared to my last. That's because right now I'm at work. I work for, as one of my jobs, besides film, I do anchor work for an investment media company called Investment Pitch. You can find them on YouTube. They just update investors on their stocks and investments with companies ranging from mining to pharmaceuticals to psychedelics to luxury handbags to technology. There's like so many videos I've made for them. So yeah, so we're in this studio they have, and I thought, why not just do my YouTube video here this time? Because feedback from one of my subscribers, my best friend Amanda, she said that I need a better background. So today we're gonna have a better background. I cannot guarantee tomorrow, but we are here because I got some new hair. I can see myself on video there, so I'll be periodically checking like it's a mirror. But yes, I just wanted to talk about this fantastic hair I have on today. And I chose this background to pair with it because it makes me feel like Cardi B. It's so glamorous and long. So this is from rpgshow.com again. It was a little Christmas present. And I went British. And it is the Wigs by Charisse 010 style. This one is a size 2 with light brown lace. It is 20 inches virgin Indian hair in the natural color. And it's 13 by 6 parting. As you can see, a lot of parting space. And I chose this wig because, like I said, I work in film a lot. And the most natural look is to have a hair colored wig that is the same color as your natural color. So the same color or close enough to your natural color. So this one's just slightly lighter than my natural hair. My natural hair is actually darker than a 1B for some reason. It is like very black. I don't know if that's genetics, maybe because I am half indigenous, but yeah, my hair is very, very black naturally. But this one blends in well. As you can see, I pinned it in on the sides. I did just make a video for the company today, so that's why I was debuting this hair in it. But yeah, it's layered with these nice side layers on this side, but then this side is really long, which I dig because I'm gonna one day style this like sleek straight. So it's better to have really long layers when you do that kind of look. I find it just looks a lot better and more glamorous. But yeah, I'm friggin' in love with it. This is a glueless installation. I'll lift that. Glueless installation. I will say that my natural hair probably goes down to about here, so it's like that much longer than my real hair, but it's thick. For me to get this look with my natural hair, I'd have to like blow it out and then flat iron it, or no, use wand curl it straight from the blowout, and that gives me that body but still silky look. Right now I'm trying to minimize the damage on my hair. I've noticed over Christmas underneath my hair is done in 2 like cornrow braids back, but I noticed over Christmas when I had straightened it that some of my ends were breaking off, and I was like, oh, that sucks, because my goal is to grow my natural hair down to here. So I'm excited. We got this wig. I cannot stop running my fingers through it. It is so silky from root to tip. And these curls, I literally took it out the box and these are the curls it came with. All I did was touch up this top part because those kind of got jammed up. But yeah, they're beautiful and they're staying in. And like, look at how flowy, like look how big that gets. I'm trying not to do that. You can sleek it down. I can tell once you wash this wig, it's gonna be really big, and it's gonna be a lot of work to style, but once you do, it'll stay for so long. So yeah, I'll show you what it looks like from behind, from the side, first of all. Oops, I had to pin my shirt. Okay, let me just tell you a little secret here. When I'm on camera doing this, I like to pin baggy, like button-up shirts back so that my waist shows more. I'll just take that back out. I don't know if you noticed, but yeah, that's quite a difference, right? Like I'm talking like this and it's so frumpy, so I take that back. But who cares? It's my channel. So yeah, this is what it looks like from the side. Goes down to there. And then from the back, I mean, oh, it's so beautiful, right? Whew. Look at that flow. This is thick. This is 200% density. 200% density, man. But I mean, if you're gonna get a wig and you're gonna pay for it from RPG Show, pay that extra $60 and get that extra glamorous thick look. Cause like, why not? Why not? Go all the way, right? So, yeah, I was really excited to wear this today, and it kind of just made me feel like bringing out this satin, you know, puffy sleeve shirt with this bow tie. I got this shirt years ago from a boutique in Toronto. I used to work, it was my only time I worked in retail, at this boutique called Beto. It was a French one, and man, they made the cutest clothes ever. But yeah, they got me out of my comfort zone, and I started trying, you know, a little more bougie things. So the cool thing about these styles is that they last forever. I could probably wear this when I'm like 60 years old and I'll still get compliments. So yeah, but this is a whole look, and this is a whole backdrop, I guess. It's a virtual one. But yeah, this hair and this whole outfit makes me feel like I live in this mansion. Like, that is my, I'm pointing, that is my room right there. And then that's my glam room, the next one, over there, over there. I can't take my hand too far out the frame. Boop. Yeah, so thanks for joining me again, guys. And if you like the hair, you can find this again on rpgshow.com. Wigs by Charisse 010. They have sales all the time with little coupons for $60 to $80 off, so definitely take advantage of that. I know a lot of girls buy wigs for film work, but I feel like if you're going to invest in one and you plan on doing this career for a long time, might as well go with the best. And RPG Show is the best. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I feel so weird asking that. Okay, you know, YouTubers, they always go, and if you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. How'd I do? Feel free to subscribe if you'd like to. I'd like more subscribers. It's giving me drive to keep going and making these videos. Definitely like it if you like what you see. And yeah, sorry, I'm looking at the screen. I just can't get over this hair. It's beautiful. God. Anyways, yes. Thanks for joining me again, guys. I'll see you on the next video. I may not be in a mansion next time. Who knows? But have a great weekend. I'll see you next week. And hi, Madison. Thanks for watching my videos.
I'm leaving you.
Thank you.